Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2016 Subaru Forester Limited all-wheel drive, stock number Z9370XA. Only 26,000 miles of this one owner, local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, dark gray metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Rubber mat for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Oversized moonroof. Large, easy to read gauge. Miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and AHA Music apps. And this is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats, automatic transmission, storage in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those media devices. Large glove box with all the owner's materials, overhead auto-dimming mirror with home link transmitter for garage door opener and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Forester has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 24 miles to the gallon and a city average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Forester, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.